My question to you, because I'm seeing a little bit of this, I'm just keeping my ears up to this, is that I'm wondering if the pendulum has swung a bit further the other way. And I'll tell you what I mean is that now that we have these API enabled deal submission platforms, it's allowed for the CRM, but then also this tool, but then also this tool, but then also this tool, where now are we getting to the point where we're oversubscribed? And I'm just having some conversations where people saying, I'm a little bit exhausted. I'm being sold this other tool and it's another login and another thing I have to put in my bookmark bar there. So yes, it's not one system, but it's not 100 systems. I mean, do you agree with that, first of all? And then if so, how do you find that balance?
I think that the mortgage tech space is getting a little bit noisy right now.
Hmm.
As the industry or as fintech evolves, we're going to have like lots of little players, and then some of them will
Yes.
become medium, some of them will become big. The little ones will die or merge. The medium ones may stick around for a while. But at the end, I think what comes out of this is I think we're going to have a place 1, 2, and 3 origination platform.
Yeah. Okay.
I think that one of them is going to be all encompassing. That's good for the average agent.
Sure.
The next one is going to be, average, not all encompassing, just an average POS that lets you connect to other things. And then I think we're going to have the mad scientist platform. And I could put names to all of those, but I won't out of respect to everybody in the
Sure.
industry. But it's the mad scientist things that I think create a lot of confusion in the industry, because the mad scientist requires you to attach a whole bunch of other tools to it, right? I think the sweet spot is sort of in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Does it take a good application? Is it smooth underwriting? Is it well connected to lenders? And is there a fair and reasonable way of getting your client data into some place where you can have a business process or business platform to go alongside? And we're going to call that a CRM for this discussion.
Yep.
And I'm going to do a bit of self-promotion for a moment, right? I
Please,
have
yeah.
to. Otherwise,
Yeah.
how will they pay me for this
Yeah.
30 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah.
At Centum, we're all about being technology agnostic. So we encourage you to use the systems and tools that are best for you and your business. And we empower our broker owners with choice, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's your business. You're independently owned and operated. But as our founder will say, is you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself.
Sure.
So when you come into our environment, you'll see we have support for the myriad of different origination platforms. I don't think we'll ever get into the origination space, but we do now have a tool which I think can replace, and maybe sad word for some out there, but can replace the need for an email marketing platform and potentially a CRM. Don't worry, because CRMs still do way more than this will ever do.
Mm-hmm.
But I think we've reached the point where borrowers, your clients, do not care about your blog article. Sorry, guys. They certainly don't care about mine.
You're breaking a lot of hearts today, Adrian.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
Let me, I have a solution, right?
Yeah.
I think that the borrower does not care about our view of the economy or whatever messaging we put out there. Here's what the borrower cares about. The borrower cares about how much equity they have in their home. The borrower cares about how much debt they have. The borrower cares about the mortgage interest rate that they're paying. I know we don't like to hear this, but it's a reality of the day. So I would propose that whatever you're doing for your client, do something that's of value to them. Tell them what they want to know, their equity, their debt, and their interest rate or their mortgage opportunities, what they can do with that equity. There's lots of tools out there that are now offering this capability.
Mm-hmm.
We did build one in-house because we wanted to offer it for free. We think that by offering value-added solutions that you can use with anything that you're doing will help you grow your business. And look, here's the reality. When our brokerages that are a member of our network grow, when we get more agents in our network, that's how we grow. We're in the business of helping broker owners and team leaders grow their teams. So how do we do that? We give you valuable tools.
Yeah, absolutely.